So basically Ewan forgot his GoPro, so we're doing a bike review. Talk about your bicycle.
This is my Calibre Line 10. I got it on sale because there's a new one coming out, but it's better than yours. Came standard with this fork, Roscoe's Recon RL, SLX 1x10 drivetrain, WTB rims and tyres, Formula hubs or something, they're pretty cheap. This dropper, core dropper, Calibre Line 10 custom saddle, and Ritchie bars. I forgot to mention, these are DR hydraulic discs, which are pretty nice. It's a great spec for what I bought it for. I like red, so I've gone a bit over the top, so I've got new grips, new top cap, new spacers, new hubs, new wheels, new tyres, new spokes, new pedals, new saddle, and a fidlock bottle cage, because why not? Okay, I forgot my fidlock, shut up. Oh, damn that fidlock. Only complaint I've got is the cable routing, because that's what it's done to my fork. It's not good. This is a size small, so it's 16-inch frame, so it's small enough to be a dirt jumper. I run 20 psi. These things are nuts.
You are.
The Hope hubs, same hubs as Archie, like. And I run clipped in. And the seat post. Look how fast it is. The paint chips pretty easily, but it's so cheap. For what it is, it's great. I've got this rehook thing, I don't really know why. How long did it take to get its chain out?
Sorry,
6
that
hours.
was fully behind the thing and that was a broken bike.
It took too long. This is the cheapest bike, and in my opinion it's the best, and I love it. Apart from the seat post, it's a bit temperamental.
Archie's transporting our epic camera gear, which is a chair. The slider.
Don't worry.
This is my Trek Marlin 7. It's pretty much the way it came out of the shop. I've not really done much to it, except from put a fidlock on it and change the tyres out. Tyres are a very good upgrade. It has an epic Shimano DR 1x10 drivetrain.
What you've done to it is made it a trail bike, but
I think
the seat post was the short stem. The seat post was high, but now that you've cut it,
this is my controversial fork. It's a 100mm Roscoe's Judy. It's a coil. I like it. I think it could be a wee bit longer. Trek say it's where trail-worthy bikes begin. If they were to make it a wee bit longer, it'd be much easier to almost turn it into a trail bike. Another controversial point is a 29er. I love 29ers. The other two really don't like 29ers.
I hate them with a passion.
Yeah, I'm not really into huge jumps or gaps or anything. It's more just going fast and rolling over everything. For me, I think they're absolutely fantastic, but Ewan and Archie have different views.
Ooh!
Ewan almost fell off the berm.
I almost cracked my head open.
That'd do us all a favour.
Is there anything bad about it that you hate?
No, I actually think I would really like it to have a dropper on it, but for what I have here, I'm very happy with, and the Marlin 5 and the Marlin 6 are brilliant beginner bike, and I would suggest to you to just save up for that wee bit longer and try and get this.
Or if you're looking at 5 or 6, just get a Calibre.
Yeah, or get a Calibre.
If you're looking at that price range.
It's been very good so far. I'd get it again. I wouldn't think twice about it.
You're gonna hold up the bike with a stick.
Shut up.
This is what you do. Move.
Oh, it didn't fall. That's...
YouTube viewers of the World Wide Web, I give you the Roscoe 7. By Trek, it was made in 2021. SRAM SX cranks and drivetrain was SRAM SX. Brakes are Shimano MT200s, the discs were bottom line Shimano ones. Saddle is Bontrager, seat post is Bontrager, fork is RockShox, it's Leaks Air, handlebars are Bontrager, grips are Bontrager. It is a plus size tyre bike. I have not had to replace a rear hub, I have not had to replace a pair of cranks and a bottom bracket. I have not had to replace my disc rotors. I've not had to replace my disc brakes. I've not had to replace my disc pads. These 2.8 tyres are very nice. If you deflate them to about 20 psi, they give you huge amount of traction on the uphills. They're okay going down, and techie sections are very fun on them.
Axis Recon
Plus.
27.5.
XO, chipless ready, cheapest chips.
With my glasses. Hope Pro 4 rear hub. That was very good.
When you got the right one.
Please do not buy this bike because it will break. And that is all.
Does anyone need the slider?
Oh no, oh no!
Just gonna have
My bike!
Take in the sweet smell of fresh air.